This is another camp consisting of quite a significant amount of people. They were all waiting, as you can see, they're lined up. Almost more than half of them have already received the supplies that have been provided for them. Cooked food, and it's warm. This goes a long way here. Over here is some shopping. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Kayfa, tamam? Good to see you, my little sister. Right here, the foodstuffs, the things that are dry, the rice, and so forth and so on. So as we mentioned to you on a number of occasions, this is our responsibility, and the people take it away. Most of them are making dua for you guys. So we ask Allah Azza wa Jal to accept it from us and to accept it from you, and to one day, inshallah, make it so that these people can go back to where they come from to resume their normal lives once again.